So good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, I welcome you wholeheartedly to this evening. And we from Mankind, Dr. Mahipal sir, Dr. Alka ma'am, we are honored to have you, host you for this great evening and for this great event.
With the current state of things in the country, I think it is only obvious, it is only must that we should celebrate the life of doctors and treat them as the heroes that they really are.
With the help of this film, we're trying to create some kind of a memory in which we could really showcase you as the hero which you actually are.
Mahipal had a very clarity of the vision that he has to become a doctor, and that was
the honor in his hand. That is the quality where any patient should go.
Was something that we could see. We could see his journey play out. And that was an inspiration. Nobody can teach you what to do for yourself, right? You can only get inspired by others.
I personally feel that life is a journey. You have to live through it. आप time को कैसे भी व्यतीत कर सकते हो as long as what you are doing gives you satisfaction.
आंखों का एक ऐसा अस्पताल जहां आप आंख बंद करके जा सकते हैं। इतना विश्वास आपके मन में होगा।
डॉक्यूमेंट्री लाइक दिस इंस्पायर्स यू ट्रूली। हर कोई से जो भी मिलता है वो इनका अपना होके जाता है। उसको लगता है आज इतने लोग हैं यहाँ, सब सोच रहे हैं हम ही तो सबसे करीब थे इतने इनके, लेकिन आज इतने लोग दिख रहे हैं जो इनके इतने नजदीक हैं। तो वो सब इसीलिए हैं बिकॉज ऑफ हिज नेचर, हिज क्वालिटी।
हजारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोता है और तब कहीं जाके होता है चमन में दीदा बर पैदा। सो यस